Looking at a 2023 here, Sandpiper 3990FL. It's going to feature a total of 5 slides. What big front living model is what you're looking at. What you're going to see is you're going to notice you've got a slide out where your dinette is on the door side of the unit, and then as you come to the back, and you got the rear end, which is just going to feature a rear bedroom. Coming over, what's really nice about Sandpiper is the quality. It's going to have a really good fit and finish. Coming up in, right when we walk in the door, you're going to have a nice living, or your kitchen area with a residential fridge, an island kitchen, tons of storage. Flipping back, you got freestanding dinette. It looks out over your picture windows. Just a really, really nice layout as far as being able to see out your campsite, give you separation. You're going to look at the hutch and the separation from your front living to your kitchen area. Next, we'll go up top. This is like the main piece of the unit. It's beautiful. It's got 2 opposing trifold sofas, a large LED TV with a fireplace below, large picture window. Looking at this is your trifold sofa here. Back to your fireplace, sound bar, your front television. Your television will go down so you can see out the front window. This is your opposing trifold sofa, so both will come out into beds. And then you've got your theater seating here that's directly across your TV and entertainment center. It does have a residential ceiling fan up top. Coming back down the stairs into our kitchen and dinette area. Again, you can see residential microwave, residential refrigerator, large oven with 3-burner cooktop, plenty of storage and counter space. Now we'll come on back. We're going down the hallway towards the rear of the coach. As we come in here, this is going to be our bathroom. It's a large shower with a seat. You've got a lot of storage. You've got a mirror there. You've got some counter space down below for your sink. Plenty of space for your toilet, your leg room. Then we'll move next. We're coming back down as we keep going to the rear of the coach. Now we're going to come up to the loft area, which is great for grandkids or even adults to sleep up here. So we've got a loft on this side with 2 beds, plenty of storage up here. And then directly back across, you can go either right or left as you come up the stairs. You're going to see that you got another spot for another place to sleep someone as well. So this is called a full loft and a half loft. Coming back down the stairs, now we're going to come into the rear bedroom. This is the master bedroom, which will come down. You've got a full stackable washer dryer closet there to the left, king size 72 by 80 bed. You're going to have windows on both sides, accent lighting as well, and then we'll come back up, go back up into the living area, going down the hallway again. So what's really nice about this layout is you've got a separation from not only your living room, kitchen, loft, as well as your master bedroom area. You've just got a ton of space.